What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're running a FiveM server or even just playing on one, you already know how important first impressions are. Players load in, they spawn, they look around, and the roads are literally one of the first things they see and interact with. Driving, drifting, police chases, roleplay scenes, it all happens on the roads. So today, I'm going to show you how upgrading your FiveM roads or adding road enhancements can massively improve your server, make it feel more realistic, more immersive, and honestly, just way more professional. If you want your server to stand out without completely rebuilding the map, this video is for you. Let's get into it. A lot of server owners focus on cars, scripts, jobs, and economy, which is great, but roads are usually overlooked. Here's why roads matter so much. They affect driving physics and realism. They impact FPS and performance. They set the tone for realism and immersion. They're used constantly, more than almost any other asset. Think about it. Bad roads equals bad driving experience. Flat textures, blurry lines, unrealistic materials. It instantly makes your server feel cheap. Good roads, on the other hand, make even default cars feel better to drive. The easiest and most popular upgrade is road texture enhancement packs. These don't change the map layout, they simply replace or enhance asphalt textures, road cracks and wear, lane markings, reflectivity and roughness. Some enhancements add oil stains, tire marks, faded lines, realistic asphalt grain. This instantly makes Los Santos feel more alive and used. Why texture upgrades are great? Easy to install, low performance impact, compatible with most servers, and no mapping knowledge required. Most of these packs are drag and drop, and you'll see a difference immediately. I'm sharing a free road enhancement modification I found online for any FiveM server. The great thing about this modification is that it does not impact your FiveM server's performance.
It is compatible with any FiveM framework, including ESX, Qbox, and QB Core. This modification functions similarly to house MLOs, as it contains streaming files with smaller sizes compared to other road mod packs.
When you closely examine the pathway, you'll notice that the brick pattern appears more modern compared to the default in GTA. The asphalt looks crisper and more vivid, making a significant difference without any impact on performance. Please note that the download link will be displayed in this video rather than in the description. If you're interested in these modern road maps for your FiveM server, be sure to check it out.
And this is all I got. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you soon.